Hello everyone, welcome to the practical series of Informatic practices, PANDAS and SQL. In the last video, we discussed how to download Anaconda and install Jupyter Notebook in your system. So, if you are finding any problem, so don't worry, we have a solution. We can use Google Colab instead of Jupyter. So, interface is same. So, as you know that 8 GB RAM is required and 1 TB SSD is required for this Jupyter notebook, but for Google Colab you don't need anything. You just have to simply go to your browser, search for Google Colab, just go click on this link Google Colab and just open Colab. So here you will get, just open a new notebook, and now you can start working right away without any installation or download, and you don't need to download anything. So this has the same user interface like Jupyter notebook. So here we have file option. If I click on this, we got this: locate in drive, open in playground mode, new notebook, open notebook, upload notebook. So these many features we have in this, and this is similar to the Jupyter notebook. So we have edit option, view option, insert, runtime, and all this. And here we can write our code, and to run the program we just have to click on this arrow, or just control plus enter or shift plus enter we can use. And so let's start it with our first practical, that is practical number 1. So in our first practical we have data handling series, and first practical we have write a program to create a PANDAS series from a dictionary of values and ND array. So moving back to our browser, let's write practical number 1. Create a PANDAS series from a dictionary of values. ND array with output. So to start with, so by mistake I pressed Ctrl plus enter, so we have to over this, so we can just stop it and we can start in editing mode. So now start with this: import pandas spd, import numpy as np, then we will write, first we have to create a dictionary of values So to do this, I need to write data dit. This is the variable I have named data dit. You can use any other thing. So if I write a, and so this curly braces represent this your dictionary. Then b colon 20. Then we have c colon 30. D so as you can see, a, b and c, these are our string values, so that's why they are in between the inverted commas, and 10, 20, 30, 40 are integer values, so they don't have to be within that inverted commas. So next we have to create a numpy array or nd array, you can say. So this I'm just writing it in data array. Just remember one thing, that data and array, these are two keywords, has to be joined by this underscore, else it will show an error. np.array, so parenthesis and square bracket for the list. So if I write one list 5, 60, 50, 60 and 70, and one more 80. So we have 4 a, b, c, d, so we have to write 4 numbers. I hope you are getting this up to this point. Now moving on to this, we need to create a pandas. We need to create a panda series from the dictionaries. For that, I will write series from dict equal to pd.series data dict. So this data dict is the same variable as you have written as data dict equal to curly braces, then a, b, c, d values. Similarly, now we have to create a pandas series from the numpy array. So I will write series from array equal to pd dot series just remember this s has to be in capitals, so I need to change this pd dot series. Then this data is from the array, so we have written data array as our variable, so I will write this data array. Just remember, if it is written in small, this has to be in small also. If this is written in caps, then it has to be caps also. So once this is done, now we will print the resulting series. So in order to print, we have to type print series created dictionary and print series from dict. This was our variable. Put it in here. Just move back to this. This is our series from dict. This is same. Okay. So again we have to write one more statement. Print series created from by array. Print series from array. So once this is done, we will press, either we can just click on this play button or we can just press shift plus enter. So this is working. Now we got our output. So output is this one. Series created from dictionaries A10, B20, C30, D40. So ABCD is our index value and 20, 10, 20, 30, 40 are our data. Similarly, we have created a series created from numpy array, and 0, 1, 2, 3. This is our index, and 50, 60, 70. These are our data. So in this example, pd.series is used to create series object from both the dictionary and the numpy array. The resulting series are then printed to the console. So you have to make sure you have the pandas and numpy libraries installed to run this code successfully if you're using Jupyter Notebook. But for this Google Colab, you don't have to install anything, they are pre-installed. So thank you for attending this first practical. We will see you in the next practical. Thank you.